So, the iPhone 17 is finally here, but the big question is it really worth the upgrade? Let's start with the design. It's thinner, lighter, and yes, the bezels are basically gone. It feels futuristic, but still very Apple. Now, performance. Apple's A19 chip is fast, like crazy fast. Apps open instantly, gaming is smoother, and battery life, surprisingly good. I'm getting almost 2 full days with moderate use. The camera got smarter, not just better. Photos are sharper, low-light shots are way cleaner, and the new autofocus tracking actually works. Video, as good as ever. And then there's the AI. This is where iPhone 17 really stands out. Smarter suggestions, real-time translation, and even better Siri. But here's the truth, if you have an iPhone 15 or 16, you might not need this. But if you're upgrading from anything older, it's a serious jump. So is it worth it? For some, yes. For others, wait it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. And hit subscribe if you want more real reviews like this.